J Mac from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The Pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the Pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the Pregame show.
Neely, Pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put you up on game.
Little deja vu. I think we were at the Rose Bowl.
Yes, sir.
The last time the three of us were together.
That's right.
And now we at a bowl game. Into the second quarter. Pastor Keon, how you, brother?
I'm doing great. How you doing, man?
Fantastic. All the places to be, you're here.
Yeah, man, this is the place to be. 60 other thousand people thought this was the place to be. Here supporting coach and his team. Hopefully we get on a run, some momentum, get this thing shifted.
Absolutely. Pastor, what a wonderful message to the team and the seniors last night. What sparked that in you?
You know, I want them to know how to handle adversity because I felt like not having played for a month, and some of the recent things that we've gone through as a team kind of can throw you off of your rhythm. And so, when you go through it personally and so many attacks and things happening in social media, you got to stay focused and handle adversity. So I hope that's what the message was conveying.
Well, I'll tell you what, it looks like it has because this could be much worse than it is. When you look at the yardage, time of possession, that kind of thing. Last night, Pastor spoke to the team and the seniors about adversity, and the team is not. We're bending, but no breaking right now.
Yeah, man. 10-0 for this team is nothing. I've seen them score 2 touchdowns in 2 minutes. So I think we stop the bleeding, get this thing shifted, come out of halftime. Coach gonna make some adjustments, see what happens. We're a second half team anyway, so I'm thinking it's gonna be better in the second half.
Absolutely. When you got Shedeur Sanders and Travis Hunter, you got more than a chance.
Yeah, absolutely. A fighting chance.
I appreciate you, brothers, man. Good to see y'all.
Good to see you.
A lot of times when I'm traveling with the team, don't get a chance to go back home to my home church, but on social media, y'all feed me every day of the week, not just on Sundays. Appreciate it.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Much love.
Love you, buddy.
My man. And if that preacher don't work out, you still hoop now. Look like the preacher works out.
Simple, simple.
Hey, wipe him out, wipe him out, wipe him out, wipe him out. Wipe him out, nigga.
Quit. You got a booger on your mouth. Wipe him out, wipe him out. Hey, boy, keep the bull. All right, you see the bullshit start, right? We locked in, do shit in between the whistle. Fuck these motherfuckers. They think they fucking got some shit. They ain't got shit. Let's go take our motherfucking thing back. Let's go take our fucking throne out there. Let's go. Put your hands, big boy. Do this shit up. Sit your ass though. You know you tired. You know you tired. I'm tired of ball. You trying to get the fuck up out of there too.
Hey.
I see the ball. I see quick back. I see the fuck down black ass.
Hey, you made sure you ain't 400.
Oh, God. Bug it. Bug it. Take your pick, man. For real time.
Try to tell you, piss him off, man.
Real shit.
I pushed him while I was down there.
We push niggas about our brother. They gonna keep trying it with the trigger. Already. They gonna keep trying. You'll see right there, every time we get in fucking bear, it's probably gonna be some sort of speed option. If they see it early, we might need to get to the steering to it. All right? Boy. Come on, let go, O. Hey, good shit right there. You gotta know right there, that's a motherfucking screen, Shane. You gotta know that screen right there, Shane. You feel me? Yeah. Damn good job retracing right there and finishing that motherfucker off. All right, lesson to the motherfucking wise. If they do this shit right, this next play. Good shape right here. Good shape right there. Get off of him. Get off of him. Get off of him. Let's go.
This cut shit can't never happen. All four of us on the ground. Come on. I saw the motherfucker from the cut over here.
Here we go. Y'all seeing this? Next time this shit fucking happen. When he fucking diving, I gotta stop. I can't come underneath. I gotta stop. I gotta pad down. Y'all got me? BJ the only one padded down right here. We trying to cross chop, trying to cross base, pad the fuck down. Because it's a screen. It is a screen. Try to pad it down and then try to bat the fucking ball down. All right, so they hit us with this old fake ass bullshit. God damn. Here we go right here. Damn good job of padding back right here. Now they try to do the same dumbass shit we just did. Fucking block, fucking turnover.
Defense.
Defense. Block.
Why would you go Alamo?
He trying to block you. He fucking get one up and down.
That's like a six technique. That's like a six technique. Whoop his ass. And then we do this.
Gotta muscle up.
Now we chilling.
Ain't no tripping in football.
Now we chilling. And now you still there. Shit.
Y'all recognize the smile, the beautiful face, the first lady. Shawnee, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I cannot complain. Well, I can't complain because it's 17 to 0.
Yeah. But we're not, because we're going to come back in the second half, and they're going to turn this around.
So you do know about football?
I do.
How many yards in the first down?
Wait, what? How many what?
How many yards are in the first down?
10.
There you go. See, I knew you knew it.
Yeah.
So when I'm watching TV, oh yeah, go Shiloh.
Come on, let's go. Sorry, got a little excited. I always feel like the kids are my kids.
I can see it.
They'll be like, who are you? I'm like, oh, you didn't know. You was one of my boys.
He and I talked before the game that he was going to get one today, and he just got it.
Okay, there we go.
So I was about to say, every time I'm watching TV, all I see is your name in the credits.
Aww.
Where do you find the time?
Yeesh. That's a good question. I just fit it in. You know, I literally, my husband just bought me one of those digital calendars that go on the wall. I love it, by the way. So now I'm able to I have to visually see things. So I map out my life based around my husband and my children, literally. And anybody who works with me knows that. Like, work comes third in my life.
Well, that's working, though.
Oh, it works because I think, you know, I just show, I give it my all, but I give them my all first. So then I think it just balances out, and I can, you know, like last week I was in Las Vegas working the whole week filming, and then got back and do what I gotta do. Sleep is, you know, sleep is
an option.
It's an option. It's an option.
Your body will let you know it's time to go sleep.
Listen, doesn't it though? But I gets it in when I need to. Trust me.
So what's next in your world?
I think I'm gonna do a more of a docu-series, a little sitcom-y. That's what I'm working on for the first quarter of 2025. So just going out of reality TV a little bit and doing a little more docudrama, docu-series.
I love it. Can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
I know it's going to be top notch like everything else you do.
Oh, thank you. I'm still going to do some more reality because that's easy. But but one day I hope to have my own streaming platform is what I'm doing.
Get your own!
Period. I don't want to pitch no more. I want it pitched to me. So that's my goal. Hopefully by the end of the year.
Love it. Thank you. I love that. I want to pitch. I want to be pitched. Like Martin, you say, you go, girl. Coach, really uncharacteristic play on offense and special teams.
Yeah, it's not indicative of who we are. It's not good. We got to make the necessary adjustments. We somewhere on the boardwalk. Riverwalk right here, playing somewhere. We're not playing football. We're not playing our game.
You know, the way the ball is bounced for us, we're really still in this game mathematically.
Yeah, but it's ignorant. I mean, we're down 20-0 and we're playing like hard.
Go get him, Coach. God bless you.
This is not how we envision it, guys. This is not how we envision it. We got a bunch of seniors that we sending them out the wrong way. And you seniors, by the way, you've all had an opportunity. Most of you had an opportunity to make a play. What did you do with your opportunity? You got to make that play. We had an opportunity on special teams. We didn't make the play. Specialists, I always brag on you guys to be special. You two guys got to be special. Now we're going to get this kickoff return. I don't care what his ball is. Jimmy is coming out the end zone.
Yes.
I want 10 guys in front of him. Say it again?
I said block y'all eyes.
That's right. I don't care. I want to know who's going to be out there and put the proper guys out there to block for him. He's coming out the end zone. We're going to get the ball. We're not going to have any penalties, and we're going to go down and score. Rob, where you at? You going to block some goddamn body, right? 77, where you at? You going to handle your business? No more penalties, right, center? No more nothing. Guards, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's take care of your assignments. That's what we're going to do. We understand that? Let's send our seniors out right. Let's go.
Sammy.
And we let that boy get 30 yards because we wasn't running. We depend on somebody else to make the tackle. Gant, they're going to double team you. Where are you? Where are you? Gant, you're going to get double. Okay, let's go, man. You're going to get double. Come on, bro. Let's go. Whoever get that, somebody's going to get double. Okay? We're going to kick away from 21, and we're going to get it covered. Hey, what it go?
It's time, ladies and gentlemen, for the SeaWorld Lip Sync Battle. The best lip sync performance will win a family four-pack visit SeaWorld Orlando, SeaWorld San Antonio, or SeaWorld San Diego. Mr. DJ. It's a lip sync contest. Your lips have to move.
The door slides to the inside. Pop out. It's coming hot from the inside. Get in the window. Get in the window. Keep out.
There we go.
Minute 30.
At the end of the third quarter, our score, BYU Cougars
Bend it forward. Bend it forward. No, bend it forward.
Keep asking it in. There you go, 7.
That's it, boy. There we go. Come on. You got 2 more to get.
Everything I got.
Our next touchdown winner is Megan Bryson from Upland Oaks Elementary School. Congratulations, Megan. $1,000 US for professional supplies and $250 for their gas card.
That's 2.
Does that count as an interception?
Yeah, it does.
Good shit, bro.
Hey, coach.
Well handled, takes 11 meters. 3rd down. Congratulations, BYU. And congrats, you are this year's Bowl champions. Don't forget the championship merchandise available at Team Hotel or at Alamo.com. Our final score, BYU Cougars 36.
Where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bringing it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's why I
dog.
gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.